This is the second page of Unit 11 review. I don't ever want you to do it mentally, so I'm going to do C minus 5 and C plus 3 times C minus 5, negative 15, negative 5C, placeholder 0, plus 3C and C squared gives you C squared minus 2C minus 15. If you do it mentally, it's positive 9. The middle term is the rainbows, and it's a positive 9D and a negative 2D gives you a 7D, and then it's the outside, which is negative 18, and it's the it's the numbers, and then it's the letters, which is D squared. Now that only works when it only works on a 2 by 2. Negative 6R plus 6R, and you have to know that that's a difference of 2 squares where the coefficients are the same, and then the outer terms are the same but opposite signs, so that is R squared minus 36 for a final answer. Here it would be minus 4E, here it would be minus 7E, for minus 11E, so it would be E squared minus 11E plus 28. It's the only way you could do it, I guess, mentally. And on a 2 by 2, this is the rainbows, the outsides and the insides are what constitutes the middle term. Simplify. That is 1/4. That is normal simplification. Here, numbers, 8 divided by 4 is 2. A to the M over A to the N equals A to the M minus N. And that is 2 to the A to the third. Make sure when you do exponents that I clearly see that that is an exponent. Zoom in a little bit and focus a little bit. Okay, a negative divided by a positive is the negative. 15 over 12 simplified is 5/4. 2 here, 3 here, 1 stays in the bottom, 3 here, 2 here, 1 stays in the top. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 24 over 18, 6's in both, so that's 4/3. 4 U's here, 1 U, 3 stay up top, 3 V's, 5 V's, 2 V's in the bottom, 5 X's, 2 X's, 3 X's up top. This is split it apart. 12A divided by 4 plus 8B divided by 4 plus 4 over 4 gives you 3A plus 2B plus 1. Split it apart. 12xy divided by negative 3y minus 18 y squared over negative 3y. I'm going to pull that negative over there. That's negative 4. The y's cancel out, and that's x. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 2 y's and 1 y. 1 crosses out. This would be your final answer. Find the missing factor is another name for divide. 24 divided by 4 is 6. I have 1 U, I need to get to 5, I need 4 more. I have 2 V's, I need to get to 5, I need 3 more. The number here is 2 times 6 is 12. I've got to get to 36. That means it's a 3. I have 3 x's. I need 4, so I need 1 more. I have 3 y's. I need to get to 6, so that's y to the 3rd. It's a negative. That's a positive. I need a negative sign. 25 divided by 5 is 5. I have 4 x's, or I have 3 x's. I need to get to 4. I need 1 more x. I have 1 y. I need to get to 6. I need 5 more y's. Deck of cards, 4 suits in a deck of cards. Positive times a negative is a, positive divided by a negative is a negative. When you multiply 2 negatives, you get a positive. 13 cards in a suit of a deck of cards, that's 4. There's 1 T here, there's 3 T's. I need to get to the 4th T. Greatest common factor. I can see that there are 2 and 24, 2 and 36, 2 and 12 and 3, and 2 and 12 and 2. So I already see that this is common, and so 24 is common. There's 2 here and 1 here, so 1 is common. There's 3 here and 1 here, so 1 is common. There's 2 here and 4 here, so 2 are common. Fives in all of them. That's 5 times 5. That's 5 times 3. That's 5 times 7. So there's a 5. There's 2 P's, 2 P's, and 1 P, so there's only 1 P common. There's 3 Q's, 2 Q's, 4 Q's, so there's 2 common. There's a negative common. This is 7 times 3. This is 7 times 5, so a 7 common. There's 2 P's and 1 P, so 1 P is common. There's 1 Q and 2 Q's, so 1 Q is common. That's 6 times 3, that's 6 times 5, that's 6 times 9, and one of them is a negative, so 6 is common. There's not x's in all of the terms, there are not y's in all the terms, so only 6 is common. And that is page 2 of your review for Unit 11.